On the 17th of May, 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Sweden as part of his five-nation tour across Europe, marking a strategic shift in India's relationship with Europe. This is the first time India elevated its ties with Sweden into a full-fledged strategic partnership backed by a joint action plan running till 2030. This long-term alliance underlines several goals across technology, trade, innovation, and security. However, the biggest headline from the visit was the launch of the Sweden-India Technology and Artificial Intelligence Corridor. This is a dedicated technology bridge connecting India's scale with Sweden's deep tech innovation. Sweden is home to major tech companies like Ericsson, bringing advanced engineering and innovative ecosystems to the global table. Through this corridor, India and Sweden will co-develop AI technologies, test them at scale in India, and then commercialize them globally.
लेकिन फ्रेंड्स, सरकारें केवल फ्रेमवर्क सपोर्ट और पॉलिसी डायरेक्शन दे सकती हैं। जमीनी स्तर पर असली बदलाव आप सभी के प्रयासों से ही संभव रहेगा। इसलिए आज मैं आपको भारत के साथ मिलकर काम करने के लिए आमंत्रित करने के लिए आया।
Moreover, the India-Sweden Joint Innovation Partnership too has created a structured science and technology framework spanning over AI, 6G, quantum computing, critical minerals, space, and life sciences. This deal will boost India's position from a technology consumer to a co-developer of frontier technologies. India and Sweden set a target to double bilateral trade and investment within the next 5 years. The current trade stands at nearly $8 billion. To support such massive trade, both companies are curating dedicated startup and innovation ecosystems, creating direct pathways for both the countries to collaborate. In a room filled with major CEOs from Airbus to Shell, PM Modi re-established India as Europe's major technology and manufacturing partner. The visit becomes even more significant, with the India-EU trade agreement, the mother of all deals, receiving strong endorsement during the meet. Moreover, PM Modi received his 31st international honor, the Royal Order of the Polar Star, Commander Grand Cross, the highest honor that can be bestowed upon a head of government by Sweden. PM Modi's visit to Sweden signaled India embedding itself deeper into the core of Europe's innovation and technology architecture. India is no more just another player in the technology market. It is becoming a strategic technology partner in the evolving global economic order.